Let me show you what I've got outside right now. Here's your picture. All right. So you start off with sunshine this morning. Now you've got a mostly cloudy sky, 40 degrees, a little bit of wind. All right. We're done with those 70s and 80s that we had. It's a little bit of wind that we're dealing with, making it feel like it's about 34. So what do we expect? Tonight there could be a little rain shower, maybe a snow shower out there. It's not too much. I'll show you that. Overall, you're milder. Okay, but windy for your day on Saturday, around 50 degrees. More clouds for Sunday. It's a wet and potentially stormy day on Monday. So what about these winds for Saturday? 35 to 50-mile-per-hour winds are forecast. All right, and there's an advisory, actually, for Pike County, Sullivan County, into Ulster County. This is the more likely area where you could find 50-mile-per-hour winds. Look, we usually have when we talk about a severe thunderstorm, we're talking about the winds being 50 to 60 mile per hour. Well, come on, you're up around that range, so they could potentially do some damage. More likely the farther north you go, but I just want you to know it's part of your Saturday. It's a good-looking day, about 51 degrees compared to what we've been for the last 2 days at least. It feels better out there, but it's windy. All right, so that's your deal for Saturday. 47 Sunday. You still got a breeze blowing. It's just not as windy, but you got more clouds coming into the area. They will lead to that rain for Monday. It is a first alert weather day for Monday, but it's mild. It's 60 degrees outside. So why then are we talking about it? Well, we're talking winds again, 35 to 45 miles per hour. Ponding on the roadways could be a substantial amount of rain. Maybe an inch to an inch and a half is possible. Thunderstorms are possible as well, and some of those thunderstorms could potentially be on the severe side. What's the possibility of that? Well, you got to go well off to the west, but it's nipping here at portions of Ocean County, and you get into, say, Mercer County, Warren County. It's a 15% risk. More so as you push back to the west, but a 15% chance is not zero. So that's why we're saying, hey, first alert for our day on Monday, because that could be the case. Walk with me this way, though, and let's talk about how we see things working out. So let's pull up the magic window and go through everything. Futurecast looks like this. So tonight there could be a little bit of activity out there. It's not a lot, but it's out there. Overall, I'm just showing you precipitation chances here. I don't really see anything for Saturday. I don't really see anything for Sunday. Sunday got more clouds certainly coming into the area. Now Monday, look what's coming into the area. Wherever you see that flash of red, there is a chance you could have a severe cell. This is Monday at 7:30 in the morning, and I think you're going to see bouts of rain throughout the entire day on Monday. All right. Now behind that, as that front goes through, remember you're 60 degrees. Then the cold air comes back. So you're going to find that when I show you the 7-day forecast. But how much rain? New numbers have just come in. Now we're saying as little as about a half an inch to maybe an inch for New York City, getting close to 2 inches around Morristown. So, hey, keep that in mind. Let's pull up the 7-day forecast. We'll talk you now through it all. 51 for your day on Saturday. Sunday, you're 47. Monday, 60 with that red alert for some bouts of heavy rain and possibly some damaging winds. Tuesday, you're 43. That's your St. Patrick's Day. But look, 33 for a morning low. Dress warmly for that day, and then you get to Wednesday where you're 40 degrees, 48, 50 on Friday. That is your first day of spring. 50 degrees for the first day of spring is almost exactly average. It's about where we should be. I know we think of those spring days like the 70 and the 79, the 80-degree reading. No. 50 degrees the first day of spring is right on par with what I expect to see for just a good meteorological number.
That's good. Sometimes average is good.
Mother Nature loves to find her averages, KG. Isn't it funny? We'll have a year where it's very dry, and then all of a sudden we get like a lot of rain. She ends up hitting
balance
pretty close to her averages almost every year.
Okay.
Almost.
Thank you, Lonnie.